At this time, I get to turn the microphone over. Tony Orlando is going to sing God Bless America for us.
Straight up, you'll see this parachute coming down. Blessing the boardwalk. Why don't we all get together and sing God Bless America right now? What do you say? Why don't you stop where you're walking for a minute, look straight up. Here we go. Everybody? God bless America. Stand beside her and guide her with the light from above. From the mountains to the rain, to the ocean, white with bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America, everybody, my home, sweet home. I want a hand for that parachute. Look straight up, you guys. Look straight up. Coming down, right onto the beach. Look at that man. From about 15,000, buddy. Come on. Golden Knights coming down to the beach in Atlantic City, the greatest, most exciting beach on the planet Earth. Everybody, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful landing coming in now. He's coming right where I told him to come. He's coming down for the Italian ice. Here he comes. He can't wait to have the Italian. Wave to me, young man. There you go. Yeah, give that man a hand. Bravo. All right, on.
Provide for you today a demonstration of precision freefall as performed by members of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights.
The smoke is on. We now have the entire team of Golden Knights in freefall, rapidly approaching speeds of 120 miles per hour. The initial part of the formation is called the base, and it forms quickly as the initial jumpers fly their bodies together while interlocking their hands and legs. Completing this of the form, the remaining jumpers set up slightly above and outside the formation, awaiting the team leader's call. The formation continues to fall at 120 miles per hour as the free fall photographer circles the formation. At 5,000 feet, the team leader waves his arms, signaling the jumpers to turn and streak to the 4-point of the compass, creating our bomb burst. Watch for the parachutes. There you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with a unique situation. A traffic jam in the sky. They must gain preparation in order to allow for individual approaches into the target area. At 1,000 feet, the jumper does what is called a wind penetration check to degrees to the target, then faces into the wind for a final approach. Once on final approach, the jumper shifts all of his concentration to a small black dot located in the center of the orange X. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our first jumper as he brings it in for a stand-up landing. Not to be outdone by the first, but here's the second jumper, brings it in for a signature airborne landing. You will see some of the parachutes flying overhead are flying in flags. Once on final approach, the jumper shifts all of his concentration to a small black dot located in the center of the orange X. He keeps a close eye on the windsock located in the target area. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you will see two different types of parachutes flying in, as our videographer flies in a smaller, faster, more agile parachute. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the last of our jumper as he brings it in over the target. With absolute concentration, she puts down for a dead center landing. Freefall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Brian Karst. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present to you the band demonstration team for the 2016 Airshow season. All members of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights.